I gotta I gotta put a tube in this tire. The sidewall is all cracked out. I tried patching it up last winter. Worked sort of, not really. Then over the summer she just lost the bead all the way around. So I got a tube, added in up here underneath my sweater, keeping it warm. And so yeah, let's get this tire popped off this side of the rim and allow us to get the tube up inside. And then I know it's going to be a struggle and a fight to get it back over the rim. Not really looking forward to it, but it is what it is. It's got to be done. Got a couple screwdrivers and a pry bar here. We have some dish soap, just in case I need to make something a little slick or something, maybe going on and off. I think someone had said that can help. I did this on my lawnmower in the summertime. It wasn't so bad, but I was able to take the tire off the rim. This, unfortunately, is a whole bunch of steps. You got to take the back plate off here. Yeah, there's a nut there, but there's a keeper thing. So when you undo this, nothing pulls free. I don't feel like disassembling the whole thing, because it's a bunch of processes. Hopefully this doesn't take as long. Who knows? Maybe taking everything apart is the easier way. We will find out. So bear with me. You know, sometimes it's kind of like, until you get started, it's like, what's going to work best? So get this in here, this way. Let's pull it up and over, I think. This way. Nope, that's going to be going back on. There we go. Wasn't too bad. Get some warm. So let me get that tire brought over here. Make sure that the tube goes in nice and straight. Try to keep it in spot with the bell stem hole in the tire and the rim. Feed the tube over and around the rim. And hopefully that keeps it from possibly getting pinched. There. Tube's on. Try to see maybe we get the valve stem to pop through. Somewhat sort of like that. Tire push there. Now, the fun part. getting it back on. Get that there. Stand on that. Of course, you know, as soon as you go to put something on video, listen, you really struggle. Oops. Almost. So a lot of it, what you'll find is there we go. Almost got her. Nice. And the valve stem mostly stayed in the spot. Yeah, there we go. Nice. The struggle is half the time you get it just about halfway on. And if you don't keep your leg or something good, I use my leg there, pressed against the rim, pushing against it, excuse me, then it'll want to flop back off. All right. We'll plug in the compressor here. Find the air chuck. And the blower on there apparently. There's my air. I'm going to just unplug the light here, don't need that. I had the light there actually just warming everything up, a halogen light, because they get nice and warm. Alright, it's anybody with earbuds. You might want to turn your volume down. Compressor's going to be loud. Here we go. Enough air in the compressor to air that up. There we go. pair of pliers. Old valve stem, it didn't. This is what I was worried about, the valve stem not being more to the side of the tube. Because of the way they come out the side of the rim, it's like they're designed for a center valve stem point. Let's see if I can grab it with just a pair of pliers here without wrecking the threads. Or the valve stem. Yeah, this was the part I was going to say I was worried about. I should have a pair of needles or something. Probably not. But you need a certain pair of pliers. They're never there to be found. Just bear with me for a moment, please. Try to find. I suppose the nut in these old channel locks is a little worn. Bugger. So you also don't want to squish your valve stem up too bad. Alright, that's harder. I popped that valve stem out just a little more. Move things here. Grab the valve stem. Still goes on nicely. That's good to see. Stand there. Beauty. Well, I'll be ready for the next snowfall now. If you like that quick little video, smash the like button. Drop a comment down below. If you're not subscribed already, that'd be awesome if you hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell for further notifications on new videos. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.